Okay, Cuda lovers, it's Gause Garage coming to you. Music City Mopar's annual Mopar show. Sitting before you is a real deal 71 Cuda 340 shaker hood X9 black from the factory. Yes, this is not a repaint. Well, I'm sure it's a repaint, but it's a real X9 black car. As you can see right there, BS23 and the X9, TX9. That's your black pigment for 71. And of course, you got the grills right here. Also, the car sporting some options. You got buckets, console, rim blow steering wheel, rally dash. Paint and body are perfect. All the bright, shiny bits have been taken care of, all the way down to the details in the trunk with the collapsible rear spare and the correct canister. Orange body plugs. Tell me anybody who wouldn't love to own a black billboard 71 Cuda 340 Rally Dash shaker hood. It doesn't get better than this, folks. And you can find it at this show, Music City Mopars here in Nashville, Tennessee. Chrome racing mirrors. And of course, look at those gills. And that 71 grill. Classic Americana. And folks, you're looking at a beauty right there. This is Gause Garage, Music City Mopars, Nashville, Tennessee. Thank you.